Alright, here we are on the footwell. Next thing we gotta do is remove these two fasteners here and here. Just unscrew them with your fingers. Next we gotta take off this piece of carpet. Just work it out. Probably should have done the front first. Once you remove that, you can see where the cabin filter is located. The housing is right here. And what you do is you push on this tab right here towards the passenger side of the car, and it just pops off like that. Got some junk falling down already. It's been about 4 years actually since I replaced this. Oops. See how bad it is. Oh yeah. Wow. Funny, I didn't get that smell until just recently. You know, the smell you get when it's obvious your cabin filter's bad. Next, take the new filter and put it in the housing. And then reinstall the housing thing. Make sure the hooks go in those slots on the filter. Push up and then back towards the driver's side of the car to lock it in place. Next, reinstall the carpet trim piece. Just sort of work all the edges in a little bit at a time. And then make sure it's not covering the heater and AC vents. Oh, we've got to put this over here. There we go. This corner wasn't in. All right, there we go. And now put the fasteners back in. And that's it.